Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will guide you through the setup process of this laptop. First, select the right country or region on the list and then click yes. Then select the right keyboard layout or input method and click yes again, and if you want to add a second one, click add layout right here and select a second keyboard layout that you need. Then click skip. Then connect to a Wi-Fi network. Select one on the list. Enter the password. Then press enter, and if you don't have any available networks, instead you see the install driver button right here, then you have to check our video on how to install Windows on this laptop, because there I show you how to install this Wi-Fi driver when you reinstall your Windows, and just come back here again once you install your wireless LAN driver. Okay, so once you're connected, click next. Then wait until Windows checks for updates. And once the check is complete, you can name your device on the following page by entering the name here and clicking next. Then your laptop will restart and you'll go to the following step, but you don't have to do it now. You can also do this later in settings at any time. So I'm gonna skip this step by clicking skip for now, and then I suppose Windows will start downloading and installing all the required updates, which might take a while. Okay, now I can see, so right now just make sure that your device is plugged into the power source, and leave your laptop for, I know, about 20 minutes or so, because it will be downloading and installing all of the required updates, and usually it takes a while. The time depends on your Wi-Fi speed, so I cannot tell you for sure, but generally it's around half an hour. So I'm gonna get back to it in a while. Okay, so once the updates are complete, click sign in and then enter the email or phone number linked to your Microsoft account. Then press enter or next, and then enter the password to your Microsoft account. Press sign in. And then you can add your fingerprint if you want to, but you can also do this later in settings. So click skip. I will click skip for now. Then create a PIN code for your laptop. So enter a new PIN and then confirm it in the following field. Then click OK. Then wait a moment, and after that choose some privacy settings for your device. I usually switch location to yes and find my device to yes, as these two are usable. The location lets you get location-based experiences like news, directions, weather, etc. And find my device feature lets you find your device easily in case it gets lost. Diagnostic data sends your data usage data to Microsoft, so you can switch it on or off, as I usually do. Inking and typing sends your inking and typing data to Microsoft. I usually switch this to no too. And personalized offers, personalize your ads. So I usually switch this to no too. So you can get to know each setting for your Get to know with each setting yourself, and once you're content with your choice, click accept. Then wait a moment, and then if you want to restore your device from a backup, if you have such option, you can click continue. Otherwise, you can click more options and select setup as a new PC, then confirm by clicking setup as a new PC again. Then again, wait a moment. On the following page, you can customize your experiences by selecting one of the available presets, but you can also do this later in settings, so I'm gonna skip this step for now by clicking skip. Then if you want to if you want to use your phone from your PC, if you have an Android phone, you can scan this QR code that you see right here. Then if you have an iPhone, then skip this step and then pair your phone using phone link. For Android phones, you can also do this later in settings. So I'm gonna click skip, and then if you want to back up your photos from your phone on your device, you can scan this QR code. Otherwise, you can click skip. Then if you want to synchronize your browsing data, you can click accept. If you don't, click not now. Then there are some ads from Microsoft. If you want to skip them, just click decline, then click next, and then again skip, and then just wait until the setup is complete. And at this point, that's all. The setup is finished. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.